To make Chrome download faster, follow all the steps in this tutorial. First, open Chrome and click on the search bar. Now you have to type Chrome //flags. This will take you to the flags page, which has many of Chrome experimental features that you can enable for faster speeds. When it is done loading, click on the search bar and type parallel. This feature will show up. You have to go ahead and enable it by clicking on the default and then selecting Enable. What parallel downloading does is it increases download speeds. But if there happens to be no change, then your slow connection might be the problem. Check out these videos and subscribe for more tutorials.